Hello, first graders and parents. This is Mrs. Jonker, and I just wanted to show you around EPIC a little bit today. I want to be sure that your student is reading the right level of books, and so I'm going to show you around a little bit and how to use EPIC. I am so glad that they've been searching for books that they've been interested in topics and everything, so it's been kind of fun to see some of their interests. So, when your student logs in to EPIC, it should look something like this, and it should automatically start on the browse. If you go down to the mailbox, there should be mail in your mailbox, and those are books that I have chosen for your student, and that's because they are the correct AR level for your student. If there is an assessment at the end of this book, I would love for your student to take that assessment. It's kind of the equivalent of taking an AR test. So it kind of helps me make sure that they're understanding the stories that they're reading. So these books I would recommend reading first in their mailbox. Then if they find a book that they like, then they can also push the heart and it will keep that in there for them. But I also want to look at the browse because this is where they are going to find more AR books. So over here, in the search, see this search button? That's where they're going to find AR books. So up here, you're going to click on the search option. And it says filter by, and you want to click AR level. And we don't want all AR levels, we want just your student's AR level. So, maybe, there we go. So if you see the filter by AR level, and then check the AR level, and we want, of course, both fiction and nonfiction, and then you can hit search. So that's how you can find your students' AR books. So that's just a little bit around EPIC. If you have questions, I know that it's been a little slow. Sometimes you've been able to get on and sometimes you haven't been able to get on. And EPIC is just getting a little overloaded. So just keep trying. And if you continue not to be able to get on, let me know and I will try to help you the best that I can. Good luck and happy reading!